Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday we had a parents teacher meeting. I think most of them are joined. But what happened, Hadi, Sabah, you didn't join yesterday. Is there any reason for that, Hadi?
Ma'am, I had to go out. We had to go out because my mom had an interview, and right after we went out.
Okay, maybe your PTM will reschedule in another day and inform you the
Okay.
date, new date. Okay. And how was your, what about yours, Sabah? You was
Ma'am,
also
you
absent.
joined as well.
But you should turn on your camera, Sabah, then only I can see you.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Yeah. I think I met Ibrahim's parent, Amna's parent, Imran's parent, Rayan Joshi's parent, Fatiha's parent, all were there. And that was very nice session. I hope you seen your mark list. How is this? Hmm?
Yeah.
New
I
theme.
missed a project and got an
Yeah,
F.
that's why it's not a F. You got F grade on that particular project. So it's very important to complete your project and assignments. It's also it affect your reports and
I did it, but I forgot to post it.
mm, yes. Um, excuse me, who is this? Madhushree Chayapar? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So I didn't
Uh,
get, yeah.
I am a new faculty in MEJ.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Sorry, sorry.
We haven't met before, so
Yeah,
maybe you
that's why
have
maybe
got
that.
confused.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, yesterday I read that message. Sorry, sorry. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am. Nice to meet you. It's our assembly time, ma'am.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. First, I think is a science period, isn't it?
Yes, it is
Yeah.
science.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think you are handling that, ma'am.
No, I am handling PYC2.
Oh,
It is for my observation.
observation. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Anyway, thank you.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, dear. So, yeah. And Sabah and Hadi, I will reschedule the new PTM on the next day. We'll inform you the date and time and everything. Okay, don't forget to join on that time. Maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Maybe you can expect Monday on also. Okay, Hadi.
Okay, ma'am.
And yes, we decided that our color dress day is on Wednesday. How you think? Yesterday, the last day we had that Friday on the color dress day, and we decided it's on Wednesday. What do you think? Is that good? Okay with that? Mm-hmm. Amna?
Ma'am, couldn't you have told earlier because I didn't wear color dress yesterday?
Yeah, let's do it from the next week onwards. That would be better. Hmm? Okay,
Okay.
so Wednesday is the color dress day. You can wear color dress on Wednesday. Last day the day was Friday. The now we just changed the day. It's on Wednesday. Okay, otherwise everyone should wear your uniform. Okay, your dress should be in white color uniform. Okay, Ryan, Imran, Sabah, Hadi, Ibrahim. Okay, yeah. How was your scores, marks? What do you think, Amna? You missed one project work, isn't it, Amna? Yeah, yes. Ibrahim, how was yours? You also missed one or two not missed. The grade was like C or something like that, isn't it, Ibrahim? Yeah, don't worry. So it's very important. Everyone should complete your all assignment, whatever it is, the project work, class activity, before the due date. Okay, it will also affect your score. Please complete your assignment and all the works on time. Okay, Hadi, submit your works. And also the next day on that PTM, I'll show you your report card. You can also see what are the point, which grade you missed, which point you mark, you missed everything. You can see it on that day. Okay, Hadi. Yes, how Fatiha was your score? Now you're on track, isn't it, Fatiha? Most of your problems are solved. Now you are okay. Isn't it, Fatiha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have a new team, new teachers. Do it well, everyone. How was your report card, the score, Rayan Joshi? Hmm? Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
How was your scores? I think you scored good
It was
mark in us. Yeah, I think you scored good scores in the assessment. But only one thing, you lost lot of mark in the assignment and project work, Rayan Joshi. Okay, please take it seriously. Complete your works on time. It's very important, all of you. Don't forget to complete your work before the due date. Okay, Rayan. It also affected your scores.
okay.
Okay, if you want to, yeah, if you want to see your project, the report card, you can ask. I'll send you through the mail. Okay. And anything
Okay.
else? Hmm? No, the next today's Friday. Yeah, from Monday onwards, we can start our the assembly. We had an how was that? Yeah, I will schedule that before, like one prayer, the word of the day, thought of the day, this kind of assembly. We can start on that Monday. Okay, I'll also schedule that and I also upload it in that WhatsApp group. Hmm? It's clear. Anything else? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think classes combined.
Yeah, let me check. Maybe a brush. A minute. Okay. Anyway, thank you everyone. Have a great day to you. Bye. Thank you. Nice to meet you, Madhusri ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
It was